Hey, good morning, Teresa. Missed a good trade about 10 minutes ago. I noticed some divergence. I think NASDAQ is going to touch 15,000 today. Bitcoin showing some bullish divergence. Fuck, Bitcoin fucking retested 43,000. I think US 30 is on the way down to retest this wick. That would be a huge daily candle though. Hey, good morning, Joe. Hey, good morning, Wildman. I think we're hitting a little bit of some resistance right here. Been trending down all morning. Good morning there, Mash. Bitcoin by the dip, probably. Bitcoin's tried to hit below 43,000 3 different times. Rejection, rejection, rejection. I did a couple highlight videos on Saturday and Sunday. Y'all want to check these videos out later. Hey, good morning, Chosen One. Dow futures tank 600 points. Looks like we'll have heavy news tomorrow. It's kind of weird how China's property bubble is affecting USA. That doesn't make sense. Yep, good morning, Ganja. NASDAQ hourly has some bullish divergence. I think we're going to go up to next zone, 15,170. Yeah, it's dropped quite a bit. I think it's going to reject now. It's on a pretty strong daily zone now. I think we bounce up at the open. Plus, US 30 closes hourly Kangaroo Tail with bullish divergence. Might be a buy, but the trend is pretty strong. It breaks out there. I think it's gonna go up to the next zone. Yeah, if you're looking for some scalps, US 30 looks good. NASDAQ looks good. I'm gonna put a $40 trade on. Go for 2 hours. Probably try to go for this zone. Yeah, I mean, after all this drop, it makes sense to see a little bit of a push up. Just a little bit. Nice, wild man. You say NASDAQ's on a nice fib level? Yeah, I'm in. I'm risking 40 for 80. Yeah, Crafter Cool. I did see some of that video. How Forex bought me 15 cars at age 21. You know, in that video, that fool again claimed to made millions and millions of dollars of trading Forex. But if you go on his YouTube channel, the biggest trade he's shown is $11,000. Like, come on. If I'm making millions of dollars, I'm showing a 100K trade, and it's gonna help my business. But since so-called millionaires can't show proof, we know they're full of shit. We know they're lying. We know they're a fraud. We know the FTC will come knocking on them one day. I'll tell you how much a Forex lifestyle video costs. You rent a $1,000 Airbnb for a weekend. You rent a couple cars for a weekend. You fake it to make it. Then you make all this affiliate money. Yep. What's going on, Motara? I would like to see this next candle go above that wick. If it doesn't, then I think we're hitting a little resistance. I want to see it past that right now. There we go, made a new high. Push up to that next zone. We'll trail this up. And I believe, yep, look at that beautiful push up on US 30. I hope some of y'all bought. I mean, there's two confirmations right there. Bullish divergence, bullish Kangaroo Tail. Actually, three confluences. Bullish divergence, bullish Kangaroo Tail, major daily zone. Interesting, using three time frames there. Daily, hourly, and your 1 minute entry. Plus, we got bullish divergence on NASDAQ earlier. Yep, hell yeah, chosen one. Got the same eye. Because, I mean, all indices completely dumped overnight. And US 30 had a double Kangaroo Tail. Wait, what was it? US 30? Was it US 30 or NASDAQ? Can't remember what time frame it was, but there was two kangaroos in a row. All of a sudden, the market just stopped right in that area. Make sure our TP's in the correct spot. Should just go up. Previously, I mean, in the same area, price did get a little chunky right here. One chunky and then shot up. Just chilling now. Yeah, Chosen One, if we stay in this area for the next 8 minutes, pretty sure we're going to see a spike up. And then we know we'll be looking for a TP at the open. I would set a break even, but I want to give this trade a little bit of room in case some random shit happens. I don't want to be barely stopped. I swear, the banks on Bitcoin and the big whales, it feels like they're trying to shake out a lot of people before the final rise. Whether we get to 100K, I don't know. I got roughly about 2 full Bitcoin, so it's a pretty nasty drop. $8,000 difference overnight. Try not to look at the portfolio, because my game plan was to get out of Bitcoin in December. Okay, good morning, Ed. Can price stay in this area for the next 5 minutes? I want to at least stay here for the open. Well, our original risk on this trade was 40, but we've reduced it in half to 20. Something about China. It's always China's fault, apparently. I guess there's a housing bubble going on over there. Ooh, that's not good. Where did that candle come from? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, what could we have learned from this movement here? Rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, that candle just flew out of nowhere. Yeah, Bitcoin slips below 45K as S&P 500 drops. Stablecoin regulation fears resurface. Yeah, it's just a fear drop. It is a fear drop. For Bitcoin, at least. I lose 20 on that trade, no big deal. But do we go with the sell? I think that's some kind of market making candle. wants you to put a FOMO sell in for the open. Yeah, I don't think it's wise to just sell out that candle. I may have not been the only one who was trailing stops right there. Hold on. I'm going to put a $15 super tight stop in. Just in case this was a market maker candle, just to fucking stop people out and then continue going up. Alright, we got 2 minutes for the open, so see what happens. Yeah, less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. You know, I'm gonna put TP back to my original spot. Minute and a half. Does the bullish momentum. I'm only risking 15 on this trade. 15 for 80. Super aggressive entry. Less than a minute. We got 2 Kangaroo Tails next to each other too. Alright, lose 15 on that. I'm down 35 for the morning. 37 for the morning. And retail will do a smaller lot size. And I gotta enter off some kangaroos. And instantly it reverses to a bullish kangaroo tail. Fuck. Like that. Break even immediately. Now it could retest straight up to the open. Uh-oh, price just stopped. Price just stopped. I think a big fucking move is about to happen. Either an instant retest up or a huge fucking drop. 15,000. I'm putting TP at 15,000. Oh, wait. Though it could get the instant retest back up to the open. But we're break even. Let's see what the fuck happens. Well, I called it. I mean, instant retest, right? Instant retest out the open. Wow, what the fuck is going on? what a fucking move. Oh, I had a couple TPs up here too on those buys earlier. Damn. I'm still down 37. We could have been up. Alright, what to look for next? There's bearish divergence. We could get a retest back down to the open price a second time. We got an hourly zone up here at 15,174. Chosen one, did you enter the buy right away? Yeah, you know, it might be closer. It might be the 80% rate where NASDAQ will touch the open immediately. Minimum is 75%. Minimum. We gotta find out what is the maximum. Yeah, I figured something big was gonna happen right there because the market paused for like 20 seconds. All of a sudden, boom. I mean, the way it dropped so fast, I was thinking, you know, maybe a 15,000 quick retest based on how fast it moved there. Let's just compare this movement. Yeah, I don't think it was a bad idea to try to go for that 15,000 zone, because look, I mean, look at how much price moved. So yeah, I'm not disappointed in my choice not to close the 80 right there. It was so close to that 15K zone. Oh, it's retesting back down. Go a little bigger. We'll retest the lows. I'm gonna put TP down at the lows. TP down at the lows. Oh, just like that, I'm down 90. I think there's something wrong with my psychology, because every time I get close to getting my account back to break even or in profit, I start fucking it up. I don't understand why. Like, I'll dip down 1,000, I'll get the 1,000 back, but whenever I get around close to getting back into profit on this $2,500 account, I fuck it up. I'm gonna back out and look at the 1 hour, reset my analysis. I mean, when I look at the hourly, I'm still thinking a retest to 15,000 down here. I did hear a saying once, don't check your account balance until the end of a month. But how do you do that? How do you not check your account balance? The trend is your friend, right? Until it's not. All right. I mean, we see a very nice trend line right there. I think we gotta pay attention to this area. We got a little zone. So to me, I mean, that looks like a lot of heavy resistance up there. What does the market tell us right now? I mean, we got a strong push up, went down, we get a weaker push up. Yeah, I think the main target needs to be 15,000. Look at the entry right here. This could be potentially a $500 trade. If I enter now on this lot size, my stop will probably be at least like 150. So my gut tells me to put the sell in, TP at 15K. Daily though. I mean, look at these candles have just stopped right here. No, I'm not done for the day. I'm not done for the day. I'm waiting for the sell entry. Oh, the volatility is so sick right now too. Definitely don't feel like risking 150 for this trade. What would two minis be? Seven. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Chosen. We're hitting a pretty good zone pretty soon. 15, 174. If it does turn bullish, where would be the next zone? Next zone would be 15, 300, it looks like. Kangaroo Tail. It's a weak one, but it could dump. Could dump. Kangaroo Tail at the major trend line. Shit. It's not a very strong Kangaroo Tail. Is this Kangaroo Tail enough? Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, I should have entered that one, but I was in the NASDAQ buy. See, US 30 moved so pure off that. NASDAQ did not move pure. I gotta exit. Ouch, 0-5 today. Not good. My trading morning might be over, actually. I might just throw in the white flag right now and do a YouTube video. I can tell my time is not going to be better spent continue trading today. It's only $118, but it still feels demoralizing to lose 5 trades in the first 30 minutes of the day. I mean, I could say, oh, a couple adjustments and have a winning day, but I made my decisions for a reason. I thought we were going to get the retest to 15,000. And then it dumps. And then it fucking dumps. And then it dumps. And I see an M. There is an M pattern here. We do got a classic M. Yeah, I was in 2 cells too. They got me with 1 FOMO cell. This one right here, they got me at the FOMO cell. Here, I mean, I enter off a Kangaroo Tail, but it's not the best optimal Kangaroo Tail. Wow, USD CAD with the Eiffel Tower movement. Or is this a head and shoulders, guys? Any head and shoulders here? I don't know if that is one. But it looks like a very interesting move. USD CAD jumps. No, I'll mark this up. I think I will take one more trade. If I lose, I'm for sure getting off the stream. If I win it, there'll be glory. I'm thinking a TP back down here. Alright, I'll put a stop on these wicks here. 1 wick, 2 wicks rejects. TP will be... I mean, I could put a TP out to open. Yeah, I'll put a TP out to open. I would put it down here, but I don't think there's any need to do that. Oh shit, we got 5 candles too. 5 candles going sideways. We know what that usually means. It's probably gonna go the other way. Needs a breakout right now though. I should reduce some stops on that for sure. Maybe even break even. Yeah, I'm gonna do a break even. Yeah, we just need to go about 200 more pips. Nope. Nope. Guys, I don't have the fire today. I did not have the fire today. Oh my god, and then it drops. Ah, and then it drops. King G, you feel the pain, don't you? This green line right here would have been my TP. Yeah, I think it's the Monday blues, y'all. I mean, I know a couple of you made some money today. Not me. I know Chosen One got that traded. He did some really good research on the open data. Wow, US 30 is not stopping. It's not stopping. You know, I think most of my losses come on Mondays. Could be wrong. I need to do some research on how I've traded every Monday. You know what? Let's go to my stream. Let's look at last Monday. Let's look at the last couple Mondays and how the opens reacted. By the way, I did 2 highlight videos over the weekend. One of them was where we did $500 in 2 hours. And this other one was when we took 18 trades on this one. 110 of them lost 8, but oh my god, look at that. I'm gonna look at the last couple Mondays, so... Well, fuck you, NASDAQ, okay? September 13th. Where's the September 13th stream? Let's see where this was. Well, that looks so trippy. I'm looking at 2 of me. Alright, this was NASDAQ last Monday. Last Monday, NASDAQ just... It opened down, spikes straight up to the open, and then goes down and trends. So it looks like last Monday was more pure movement. Compared to this. Yeah, last Monday's movement, today's movement. Number 6. September 6th, for some reason, my stream was only 43 minutes. Which tells me... Let's see. Let's see what we did at the open on 2 weeks ago on Monday. For some reason I got off that stream earlier. I don't know why. You guys see how I had a perfect markup going? And normally somebody just marking up on TradingView, if they're on a stream, they'd be like, yo guys, here's my stop loss, here's my entry. Now the trick is, they're not actually entering the trade and showing it to you on MetaTrader. As soon as you enter a trade, whether it's $1 or $10, there's still going to be an element of emotion. That's why I don't fuck with my shit and just, if I mark something up, okay, I'm gonna enter it. I'm just not gonna mark it up and not enter it. This TP would send us over break even for the day. I think we still got some good content out of this. I mean, we We see the perfect M almost. Yeah, it was a good trade. I just made the same mistake of moving that shit to break even too soon. 10 out of 10 on seeing the setup. 1 out of 10 on the break even. Yeah, imagine what my win rate would be, Mash, if I was only showing a trading view chart and I didn't actually enter trades. I probably have an 80 to 90% win rate. But with the emotion, my win rate's about 40%. US 30 showing some bearish divergence. But I do not think it's a sell. Whoa. Whoa. I think regardless, I wouldn't have even won that anyways if I... Wow. Definitely some Monday trickery. I think I'm just gonna hop off the stream now, guys. There's a lot of fake outs right now. Yeah, they do, yep. We've seen what a micro pip can do. It can destroy you. It can destroy your soul. Because you'll see it go back to your TP. Yeah, Ganja, I'm gonna do a COD stream for an hour. Alright, y'all, I'm just gonna call it a day. We are gonna turn off the stream, and I'm gonna stream some Warzone for about an hour. We gotta kill some motherfuckers. Like how NASDAQ killed me. So it's rage time on Warzone. Let me see TikTok booty before I close the stream. Which time frame? I'll check this real quick. Which time frame do you notice a KT on? See, my scanner's only showing a kangaroo on the hourly. 15 minute. Yeah, maybe on your broker it was a Kangaroo Tail for sure. But yeah, there's bearish divergence there too. But hey, if none of you have seen my 2 videos I put out over the weekend, go look at those highlights. Go look at those highlights, because those are the days we aim to have more of. Y'all, peace out. You can see me playing some Call of Duty on the other Twitch channel, Kangaroo ETV. See y'all tomorrow.